So in fact, now in 2025 software Psychometric, it has become very, very easy to generate the report. Even the look and feel has been very professionally made, where we have generally used the gray color cells so that whatever the theme of your color, maybe it can go with any of the color, right? So it can go with any of the color themes. And so ultimately, what happens is, like, if you really look at it, the first page is obviously something that we can actually incorporate as per what you design it onto the canva.com, something like that. I will just reduce the size so that single page is visible to you. So I hope this screen is visible now. And so though it would be a little small, but I think it would actually like help you to understand that. So page number one, what are the sample that you design? It's gonna be appearing like a king accordingly. Then inputs, obviously, you will be filling in all this stuff. So now ultimately in page number two, I mean in page number one, in fact, the way the report can be generated is, let's say, if you can see, there's a client ID which is written. And right now it's only mindpriests@gmail.com. Now, what happens is, for example, there's another sheet that you have received onto your email. There are two sheets that you have received in your email ID. So this is one of the things that you have opened. That's the software, CFT Career Fitment Test software. And the other one is basically where you are going to take a test, which is a Google form. Now, that link that's being shared with you is something that you're going to be sharing with the people or the client. So when they fill it and submit the form, you don't have to do anything. You just have to go to the client ID, select that particular email ID of the person, and that is it. The moment you click that, automatically the report is generated. Then the only thing that you have to do is go to File and then go to Print option. And over there, you'll find there's something called the Next. So just on the top, just press Next on the top, and then it'll say Save as PDF. And now this is loaded, and then you save the file, and then you have to, like whatever that one, if the client name is, let's say, Rajul, you'll say Rajul, and just save it, and it is saved onto the desktop. All right. So it is that simple, just look at this file, how clean it is, how beautiful it is, isn't it? Now I'll stop the screen and I'll see the PDF, okay? So I'll just stop the screen for a moment, and the PDF is generated in a sec. All right, so I'll just open this PDF. Shall share my screen again now, and this is Rajul PDF. Okay, now you can, I think you can see the screen. Give me a second. Right. You can see the PDF, right? This is the report which is generated. It's that simple. Just click an email ID. Report is generated. Go to the file, print option, save as PDF, and the job is done. See, this is the report which is generated, right? You have the complete details. Then you have a welcome note. Then you have a disclaimer. Then you have Rias theory, which is about the interest, interest to capture the interest. And then further, Rias theory has been further explained about the personality, the values, potential aptitude, learning style, environment. And so for all the complete Rias theory, it's been given. Then MI theory, that is the multiple intelligence theory of Dr. Howard Gardner. It's about Howard Gardner. Then it talks about the, the ranking of multiple intelligence, the percentage. Then it further talks about, like, what does it mean? What's the preferred learning style of a particular multiple intelligence? And what are the career options that a person can make it, right? So similarly, it is there for almost everything for that matter. You talk about every area. Then it talks about the McKinsey theory, which is analytical, interactive, and introspective. And so this is the complete 24 report, which is generated through this new 2025 software. I hope you like this. It's very user friendly. Go and use it and generate n number of report. The best part is, even if you have to do the test in masses, you just have to share that particular link, and people from their mobile or from the laptop, they can just fill it up and send it across. The moment they submit, you don't have to really copy paste like in the previous software. Here, you just have to select an ID and convert into PDF, and that is all. The job is done. I hope you like it.